Hello, I'm Professor Susan DeGise. This tutorial is on Practice 5.2a. Directions. Complete the table. I'll go ahead and do the sample for you. Now these are compound meters, which are not as simple, as simple meters. So to find the number of beats per measure, you're going to divide the top number by 3. So 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So there are 2 beats per measure. To find what note value equals 1 beat, you're going to think of this bottom number as a note, and that note is the division. So 8, meaning 8th note, is the division. Compound meters have a division of 3. So you're going to have to think of an 8th note plus an 8th note plus an 8th note. So an 8th note plus an 8th note plus an 8th note equals a dotted quarter. So the note value that equals 1 beat is a dotted quarter. So a shortcut way to think of it is you're going to look at the bottom number and you're going to think of the next note value up. So the next note value up from an 8th note is a quarter note, and then you're going to dot it. Dotted quarter, okay? All right, go ahead and do numbers 1 through 4 on your own. Pause the video and press play when you're ready. Okay, number 1. How many beats per measure? 3. Why? Because 9 divided by 3 is 3. What note value equals 1 note? A dotted half. Why? Because the next note value higher than a quarter note is a half note, so we dot it, dotted half note. Number 2, 3 beats per measure. What note value gets 1 beat? Dotted quarter. Number 3, number of beats per measure? 2. Note value that equals 1 beat? Well, the bottom number's 4, so if we make that twice as long, it's a half note, so this is a dotted half note. And number 4, ooh, this one's different. So how many beats per measure? 4. Why? Because 12 divided by 3 equals 4. What note value equals 1 beat? A dotted eighth. Why? Because a 16th, the next higher value up, is an 8th note, therefore the beat is a dotted 8th note. Okay? Okay, so if you're a little confused still about these compound meters, please do reread section 5.2. You've now completed the tutorial for practice 5.2a. Thank you for watching.